Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the silver price has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of silver can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what we have seen that silver after breaking this zone we have seen a downfall, okay, and made a low of around $17.5, which I have already explained you in my previous video. Okay, this is the $17.9 support and this support is around 17.5. Okay, so it has, so you have to understand the 17.9 is a first support and 17.5 is a second support. Okay, so now suppose we can see if it goes further high, it is trading currently at $20.654. okay, and suppose if the price sustain this level, then there is a higher probability that we can see it can move further upside. Okay, but as we have seen that there is so much of volatility, as the price made a low of 17.5 and a high of around $21.24. I have already explained you in my last video that if the price sustain 20.5, a probability of touching 21.2 or 21.3 is very high, as we can, there is a continuous uptrend. Okay, and if you look at this particular chart also, there is a sharp upside. Okay, if you look at gold also, silver also, we have seen there is a sharp upside has happened because OPEC. Okay, you can check this out. Now if you have any doubt regarding silver, commodities or any other forex, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link are given in the description, you can join that too. Now I'll explain you if the price didn't sustain this particular level, which is a higher probability, as you can see in the U pattern. Suppose if this level didn't sustain, then we can see it can go further low towards a level of $20.58. okay, and if the price didn't sustain this particular level, then we can see it can move further low towards a level of around $20.23. okay, and suppose if the price didn't sustain that particular level also, then there is a higher probability of moving further low and can touch a level of $19.98. so you have to keep this in mind. If the price fall below this particular level, we can see it can touch this particular level. I am telling you the supports which are strong supports, so from there we can see a bounce back, but a strong resistance, as you can see in just $0.23 upside. So we can see a swing will form at this particular level and a downside, further downside we can see. So if this level also didn't sustain $19.98, we can see it can go further low towards a next support, that is around $19.714. and if the price didn't sustain that particular level also, then we can see it can fall further down towards a level of around $19.447. okay, and once the price fall below this particular level, then we can see it can move further down towards a level of $19.146, and from there we can see a probability of moving further low towards a level of $18.8. okay, and once the price fall below that particular level, then we can see it can move further down towards a level of $18.6, and from there we can see it can move towards a level of $18.26. okay, and if the price fall below this particular level, then there is a higher probability of moving further down, because this range will come down, and a probability is there that if a range breaks downside, we can see the price of any commodities of silver moves downside. Okay, now as we know that the market is uncertain, okay, and as you know that this is the particular zone, once break we have seen an upside. Okay, so suppose if this form a swing at this particular level, this silver form a swing at this particular level, which is less of a probability, because we can see if this particular level sustain, we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of $20.827. okay, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of $21.056. okay, once the price, so and this particular level is a weak resistance, so probability is high, we can see it can move further upside. okay, and from there we can see it can touch a level of $21.253. okay, so once the price goes above this particular level, then we can see it can move further upside, and a probability of touching further high towards a level of around $21.351. okay, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of $21.759. okay, and suppose if the price sustain above that level, then there is a higher probability of moving further high towards a level of $22.302, because $21.75 is a weak resistance, so probability will be very high. We can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of around $22.5. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I have given the mail ID in the description. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.